Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. Again I come back. So you have know that I have solved this book, New Syllabus Mathematics 2, 7 edition. Grade 7 follow this book. So last class we did exercise 5B, basic level full word problem. Today we will learn intermediate level word problem. So let's go to this class. Question number 6, intermediate level. Question number 6. At first we read the question. The perimeter of a rectangular composite is 64 and its area is 207 meter square. Find the length and the breadth of the campsite. Breadth of the campsite. Okay. Number 6. Let the length of the campsite be x and the breadth of the campsite be y. So this is rectangular shape, this is length and this is breadth. So we know the formula perimeter of a rectangular. Perimeter of a rectangular campsite. 2 length plus breadth. See, 2 length here and 2 breadth. So perimeter of the rectangular formula is 2 length plus breadth. So given here perimeter is 64. Okay, fine. So length here x we assume here and breadth here y. So 64, this is into relation right hand side be divide. So it is calculate 3 and 2. 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. So x plus y is equals to 32. Okay, this is the equation 1. And area, rectangular area is, we know the formula, length into breadth. So area is given here 207, that's mean 207. So length mean here x and breadth mean here y. So xy is equals to 207. So we got here two solution here. So now equation 1, x plus y is equals to 32. So x is equals to 32 plus y, it will be changed right hand side minus y. X. We substitute here. So this is equation 3. Now x is equals to 32 minus y, put the value in equation 2. So xy is equals to 207. So we put the value here 32 minus y into y, 207. So calculate 32y minus y square plus 207, it will be change left hand side minus 207 is equals to 0. So minus y square plus 32y minus 207 is equals to 0. So minus common here y square. For this minus plus 32, it will be changed minus 32y plus 207. So now y square minus 32y plus 207, minus is into relation, it will be changed right hand side divide, 0 divided by minus, that's mean 0. So now calculation 207 divide into 23 into 9. Okay, fine. So y square 23y minus 9y. So 23 and minus 9. So that's mean 32. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 207 we had first factorized. Then we got here 23 and 9. That's mean 32. So y common here, y minus 23. 9 common here, so y for this minus plus is changed minus 23 into 9, that's mean 207 is equals to 0. So y minus 23 and y minus 9, we got here two solution. So either y minus 23 is equals to 0, so y is equals to 23, or y minus 9 is equals to 0, so y is equals to 9. Now put the value y is equals to 9 in equation 3. So y is equals to 9. Put the value in equation 3. Okay. So x is equals to 32 minus y. So 32 minus 9. So 32 minus y, that's mean 923. So length is 23. We count here length is x. So x length is 23 and we assume here y. So y is 9. So length is bigger term and breadth is small. So we assume here breadth is 9 here and put the value in equation 3. So we get find here length. Since the length of a rectangle usually refers to the longer side, that's why length of composite 23 meter and breadth is 9 meter. Okay. Length of a rectangle usually refers to the longer side. This is key, longer side. That's why length is 23 and breadth is 9. So length is 23 meter and breadth is 9 meter. That's it. This is the answer. So student, today's class is over. Next class we will do next math. So those of you who read in grade 7 and follow this book, and if you want to improve your mathematical problem, so please subscribe my channel and more watch my video and more share with your friends. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.